This is how you learn Norwegian from 0 to fluent level. I explain this. There are 4 steps that I would do if I was starting to learn Norwegian from 0 today. Step 1, I will learn the basics of and the greetings. Okay, I'll learn how to say, how are you? I'm good. How old are you? I'm from Norway. What about you? I'm 28 years old. I come from Sweden, Norway, whatever, okay? Those basic things here, it can just be 10 sentences, 20 sentences. Hello, goodbye, long time no see. All those things, I'll learn them first. Memorize them, learn them, all right? This is gonna give you a boost and motivation to like, oh shit, I actually speak some Norwegian. This is pretty cool. I could actually go to a bar or a cafe and ask, how are you? Good. Where are you from? I'm from Turkey. What about you? Cool. See you next time. Nice meeting you. This is magical. It shows to people around you and also to yourself mostly that, oh, actually, this is serious. I actually can learn this language, all right? And then I'll go to step 2, which is I will learn the 100 most used words in the language. This goes for vocabulary and verbs, all right? I will learn how to say things like house, wall, street, car, I want, do you want? These things are gonna make your life Norwegian. So you can actually go around and say, hey, how are you? This is the first one. And say, oh, I like your hat. Cool, nice, I live here. Basic things. Learn the most important vocabulary here. Take a look at the things around you. Take a look at the vocabulary you use in your life. Go to a list, ask ChatGPT for the 100 most used words in Norwegian, take them and learn all of them, all right? It's gonna give you like a good base to start with. Don't focus on the grammar yet, okay? The grammar and all the rules, it's just gonna throw you off a bit here. For now, just focus on the basics, okay? And have fun with it, really play with it. Learn, memorize, this is a job here. Memorize, learn, have fun. And then we're gonna go to step 3, which is, now we have a good base. We know a lot of vocabulary. This is very good. Use Duolingo here is very good for that. Now we're gonna go into the rules here. We need to learn the basics of the language for the grammar part. Here you can do it in a course, you can learn for free online, you can learn on YouTube. All right, just learn how to use verbs in present tense, how to deal with nouns, definite, indefinite, the genders, all those things. You can find it for free everywhere. You can find it on ChatGPT, you can find it everywhere. Just go and memorize all those rules and learn how to apply them to the vocabulary you now know. Your car, my car, the car, a car, I like to play football. What happens when you have 2 verbs in a row? What happens when you have a verb that comes before a noun? All right, this is basic sentence structure. You will all learn it here. You will learn it. I have a course for that as well, but you can find it everywhere for free. Learn a basic sentence structure. When you have that, you can already have like basic conversations, but at this level, you'll be very unsure and you'll be very insecure in how to use them. But you do have an idea of how the language works. But now, we're gonna take you into step 4, the crucial and most important step. Step 4 is the most important one. I'm saying the most important one, not because it actually is most important, because you need to have 1, 2, and 3 to do it, but it's the thing that people don't do. So I'll say it is the most missed one, which is to apply it and to immerse you in the language. You need to apply the language. You cannot just go around all of things in your head. You need to go out there and try it. You can also just speak to your dog or your mom or your father, even though they don't understand anything. You need to apply it. And it's even better if you can have feedback from a teacher or a friend or a family member can correct you. Over time, this is gonna make you fluent in Norwegian. This is the step that's gonna make you fluent. You need to apply it. Another note here is that immerse yourself in a language, which means you need to be listening to podcasts or videos or music that is in Norwegian to make your brain kind of adapt it to the sentence structure, to the words, the vocabulary, the sounds. This is very important. It's going to skyrocket your Norwegian. Even though if you don't understand what they're saying on Netflix or Spotify or YouTube or when you're listening to podcasts, it doesn't matter because your brain is going to adapt to the language here. By doing these steps, you will speak Norwegian in, okay, I don't know how long time it takes, depending how much you study and all those things. I'm not going to say a number here. But you will learn Norwegian. Trust me, I've seen it so many times by following these 4 steps. I can guarantee you'll speak Norwegian. Let's go!